Today what I want to talk to you guys about are just some really easy stretches you can do for your low back. We're going to start by stretching our psoas, or our hip flexor in the front. So what you'll do is you'll get into a lunge. You can keep your back heel lifted. I really want you to feel it right in here. So you're going to stretch this in 3 different planes. You're going to first start by stretching in this plane here. So you'll bring your arms up, and then you're going to tilt to the side, away from the area that you want to stretch, and then rotate away from the area that you want to stretch. So the 3 different planes you're going to stretch in are up like this, then rotate, tilt, and then rotate. The next stretch we're going to do are for our hamstrings. There's 3 hamstrings, so you're going to stretch in 3 different directions again. Put your leg up on something that's maybe a chair or a bench. So it's about this height. Then you're going to lean forward, and don't just hunch forward and reach your toe. What I want you to do is really feel your hamstring. So if your chest is lifted, you're going to feel a pretty good stretch and not go very far. So lean forward as far as you can until you feel a nice stretch here, and then rotate in and lean forward. Go straight, and then rotate to the other side. So those are the 3 different directions for your hamstrings. When you're stretching, if it feels good, you're doing it right. If you don't feel anything or it hurts, then do not do that stretch. It's not for you. The next stretch we're going to do is for the piriformis, which is in your glutes here. You're going to lie on your back in reclined pigeon. Cross your legs in a figure 4 position and reach your hands through and grab this leg. And then you're going to just pull forward. If you don't feel much of a stretch, rotate to the side, and you should feel a nice stretch along the outer glute right here. Repeat on the other side. So you'll pull forward and then rotate until you feel that good stretch. The last stretch we're going to do is for your QL, or your quadratus lumborum, which is right here in your low back. In order to do this stretch, you're going to sit down, bend one knee and put the other one out straight. And then you're going to just look up to the wall, bend over to the side, and kind of look up, and you should feel a nice stretch here. And then you'll rotate your body across your leg down here and just hunch forward, and you should feel it down into here. If your hamstrings are tight, you can bend that knee. I really want you to feel it in your low back, not in here. So we stretched our psoas, our hamstrings, our piriformis, and our QL. Hopefully that will help you feel better.